Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get started with Mailchimp. First, navigate to the Mailchimp website and sign up for a free account. You will need to provide an email address, username, and password. After creating your account, check your inbox for verification email to activate it. Then, complete your profile by adding your organization's name and physical address, which is a requirement for email marketing. Finally, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. Next, let's focus on building your audience. You can easily import existing contacts from a spreadsheet or another service directly into Mailchimp. Once imported, organize your audience using tags and segments. This allows for highly targeted messaging. Consider creating a customizable sign-up form to embed on your website or share via a link, helping you grow your subscriber list organically. Maintaining a clean and current audience list is crucial for successful email marketing efforts. Now, let's design your very first email campaign. Begin by selecting a campaign type, like a regular email or an automated series. Mailchimp offers many pre-designed templates, or you can start with a basic layout and customize it. Drag and drop content blocks to add your text, images, and clear calls to action. Remember to personalize your emails using merge tags, which can automatically insert a subscriber's first name, making your messages feel more individual and engaging. Finally, it is time to send your campaign and analyze its performance. Before sending, carefully review all campaign details, including your recipient list, subject line, and content. Always send a test email to yourself to catch any last-minute errors or formatting problems. You can then choose to send your campaign immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. After sending, use Mailchimp's robust reporting tools to track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribes, helping you refine future strategies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.